Hey guys, my name is Elijah and in this tutorial I will show you how to change gallery image in Notion. So first click on the first page, click edit, and here click on add cover. If you don't have cover already, or if you have cover already, click on change cover and then simply press on the cover that you want. Here click on reposition if you want to reposition it and drag and drop where you want your image to be. Then go back and you should see that you still can't see the image. Why? Because you have disabled this in settings. So click on settings, then go right here into layout and then click on card preview and select page cover. Here you can also select the fit image if you want. This is just a personal preference. You can also select here the card size, so it could be small or large. Just select which you like. I will set it to medium. And that's basically it. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.